The Minken Higher Secondary School from Ribhoi district, along with TG English School, recent winners of the Under-17 Subrata Cup in Manipur, have been selected to participate in the Indo-French football tournament. The tournament is set to take place at the Complexe Sportif Marcel Cerdan in Paris, France from November 25th, 2024. A total of 10 schools from both France and India will compete in the event. The winning teams will receive training from renowned football clubs in France, with top players being chosen to further development in larger clubs. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, in a tweet on X, encouraged the students of Minken Higher Secondary School to give their best in the prestigious international tournament.
Boy.
We have Master Warrant Officer A.K. Tiwari flying down in the saffron parachute. तालियों से स्वागत करें हमारे जाबाज योद्धा का। AWA के Paul is a parachute jump instructor who has 700 plus jumps to his credit. देवियों सिग्नल जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत करें JWA के Paul का। आपके सामने